Can you get iOS 16 lock screen widget on iPhone 6s, 7, 7 Plus or iOS 15.7.6? So let's get started. Unfortunately, iOS 16 lock screen widget are not available on iPhone 6s, iPhone 6, 7 or 7 Plus, especially if you are running iOS 15.7.6. The lock screen widgets feature was introduced with iOS 16, which has some requirements that are not supported by older devices like the iPhone 6s and 7 series. The iPhone 6s, 7 and 7 Plus do not have the hardware capabilities required for many of the new features introduced in iOS 16, including the updated lock screen features. iOS 16 is only available on iPhone 8 and newer models, meaning that even if you update to iOS 16, your iPhone 6s, 7 or 7 Plus will not be able to access certain features like lock screen widget. So, unfortunately, they are not compatible with iOS 16 lock screen widget. You can still use home screen widget on iOS 15.7.6, but for the lock screen widget, you will need a newer iPhone running at least iOS 16. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.